watched this class at lunch today, and most of them were pretty good.
Okay, who's the bad one? We'll pie them. The teacher!
No, it was. No.
Can we pie the birthday girl?
Get her!
Jay, he can have the color.
I'm coming there, or are you coming here?
Uh-oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, go ahead and put the balloons down. Now, is Mr. Burton a real good, nice man?
Yeah.
He is. Is he so nice that he's willing to do stuff to make you guys laugh?
Yeah.
It's so much. He likes you. He cares about you. He wants you to be real good and real study hard. He'll do whatever.
Yeah.
Like take a pie in the face.
Oh!